Check that out. We saw this SEMA November 2018 in the Sunex booth. Since that day, I've said I have to have this. This thing is awesome to me. If you don't like it, I don't care, comment below. I think that one of the things of just having some graphics and having some cool graphics on a toolbox absolutely rocks. Now, if you haven't seen Sunex pinup series, that might be more for you. I'll put some links in the description to that. But this thing, to me, is just the ultimate toolbox. Now, some things that I've noticed from getting it off the cart and checking it out, it's incredibly heavy. This guy weighs 365 pounds. It's made of 18 gauge steel, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of information if you wanna try to look this up. It is Sunex's model 8060MBUSASKULL. So it's their 860 series toolbox. It's an 8-drawer premium toolbox or service cart. It's 24 inches deep. It has 21-inch deep drawers. It is 36 3/4 inches wide, 40 3/4 inches wide if you include the handle. And the drawers, the full-length drawers on the top, are 31.5 inches wide. Has an 800-pound load capacity. The top drawer, which I think a lot of you guys are going to appreciate, has 2 slides, 150-pound capacity. You can easily put your sockets complete in the top of this guy. Anything you'd like here. I think this is a 5-inch deep drawer. Underneath you have 2 3-inch deep drawers and then some 5-inch deep drawers and a 10 on the other side. That 10 is 150 pounds also. The 3-inch drawers are 75. The 5s are 100. This thing is just a beast top to bottom. Took the drawers out, looked in the inside. The 18 gauge steel is there, but there's also a lot of structure to it, which is something we haven't seen in other boxes. In some cases, this structure is a little bit hidden behind it. And it took us to flip the cart on its side, look at the bottom. We're looking at the casters, and the casters are a softer plastic. They're not rubber per se, but they're definitely a quality plastic that's not gonna crack on you for sure. They are greasable, but when you look around there, there's a lot of little structure pieces that are welded, and they're taking their time in spot welding them in different places, and you can see the quality. Now, to give you an idea, when we did the same thing to the 56-inch Milwaukee toolbox, the bottom of that 56-inch weighed less than this guy did in total. So that tells you a little bit about the build quality that you're seeing here. The other thing that I really like about this cart, if you're gonna work on the top of it, this mat that's here, it's gotta be 15 pounds. It's an easy 1/4 inch thick. It's nice. It's easy to clean. This is something you could throw on the floor, scrub brush it off, use some degreaser on it, and throw it back on. Just set up for mechanics, set up for whatever you wanna do, cleaning. In my case, I'm gonna use this a little bit differently. I'd like to take this and kind of set it up as a gun cleaning area. Keep some gunsmithing tools in the front, all the gun cleaning stuff. Either that or I'm gonna put it next to the Corvettes in the other shop. That's another one, the Jake Corvette toolbox has been on my list also. But either way, this thing has some cool features and quality in it that might stick out to you guys. Now, price-wise, I have not found this in a lot of different places. They make this in matte black, which you're seeing here, and in red. I found the red one on Amazon for $864 with free shipping. I looked at the other 8060 toolboxes that you can find around, like at Acme Tools or any place like that. Those are running $899 there. So pricing on this one, I need to do a little more digging than on my phone and get an exact price and place. You can buy this black one. The red one looks pretty cool too. If you're moving this around, this has latches on the top to keep the drawers closed. So if you had soft clothes and you put a lot of weight in them, took a hard corner, they can open up. These cannot. There's 2 pins on each side. They're gonna hold them closed. You have a single locking mechanism in the top that locks the whole thing shut. You can see when we looked inside, there's places in the back that completely lock these drawers so they cannot move. That locking system is awesome and works great. Look, man, I was drawn to this cart by the graphics on the front, but the quality that came with it just absolutely blew me away. You can take these casters that are swivel on one end, move them to the other. You can put this handle on either side. There's a lot you can do with this cart. Use it for work, use it for play, use it for a cool garage. This thing rocks, and I think it's definitely something you should check out. I'll leave a lot more links in the description with a little bit more of some of the maybe dimensions of whatever I have here. But if you're looking for a cart that's going to be a nice service cart, this thing is the way to go. So make sure you give us a like in this video, subscribe to our channel, check out the description for some details, hit that bell for notifications. Make sure you have a great day. Thanks for your time.